You've probably heard the phrase, AI is coming for your job. But the real story is way more interesting than just robots replacing humans. We're not just dealing with chatbots or virtual assistants anymore. We're talking about fully autonomous AI agents, digital workers that don't just respond to prompts but actually plan, make decisions, and act all on their own. And the wild part? They're already here and starting to change how the world works. An AI agent isn't just a tool you use, it's like a colleague. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps needed to achieve that goal. It's the difference between using a calculator and hiring a full accountant. Traditional AI tools needed constant input. Agents don't. They run with the task, troubleshoot, adapt, and even improve as they go. These aren't science fiction anymore. Tools like AutoGPT, LangChain agents, Devin, and Microsoft's AutoGen are already showing us what's possible. You can ask one of these agents to build a website, analyze your analytics, or even generate and schedule content across platforms. All with minimal input. They don't just follow commands, they create workflows, manage tools, and complete tasks with a surprising level of independence. This leap is powered by something called agent architecture. These systems go beyond the usual input-output loop. They plan ahead. They remember past actions. Some of them even spawn mini-agents to handle subtasks and report back. It's like giving a task to a manager, who then hires a whole team of digital freelancers to get it done. That's the kind of complexity and intelligence we're starting to see in the newest generation of AI agents. And the real-world uses are already blowing minds. Coding agents can build applications from scratch. Marketing agents can plan campaigns, generate content, schedule posts, and optimize everything for engagement. Operations agents can handle reporting, inventory, and scheduling. Even legal agents are starting to draft documents, flag risky clauses, and assist in contract negotiations. This isn't future tech, it's happening now. All of this is leading to a huge shift, the rise of the agent economy. Businesses are already hiring digital agents just like they'd hire freelancers. Developers are building custom agents and selling them like products. We're seeing the early days of AI marketplaces, where one agent can hire another, negotiate services, and complete projects autonomously. The way we think about jobs, companies, and productivity is about to flip upside down. Now, here's the question everyone's thinking: will AI agents replace people? The answer is, not exactly. They'll definitely take over repetitive, rule-based tasks. But instead of eliminating jobs entirely, they're going to reshape them. Human workers will move into roles where we guide, supervise, and collaborate with these agents. You won't just do tasks, you'll manage systems that do the tasks better, faster, and 24/7. The real winners in this new world? The people who learn how to use agents effectively. The people who build them, design workflows around them, and understand how to collaborate with autonomous systems. If you're not using agents yet, now's the time to start exploring. Because they're not a trend, they're a foundational shift in how work gets done. So if you're curious about the future of work, automation, AI tools, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment and let me know, what task would you love to hand off to an AI agent? And stay tuned, because the next video is all about how to build your own agent,
ourselves. If we're not careful, our tools to fight climate change could end up contributing to it. That's why companies like OpenAI and others are actively working on reducing the carbon footprint of AI systems. There's also the issue of bias. If the data used to train AI models is incomplete or skewed, the predictions and solutions it offers could reinforce existing inequalities. Imagine an AI model that only considers data from wealthy nations. It could overlook the needs of vulnerable communities in the global south, where the impacts of climate change are often the most severe. Ethical governance is essential. We need transparency, fairness, and collaboration in how these tools are developed and deployed. Governments and tech companies must work together to ensure AI is accessible, responsibly managed, and used for the common good. Ultimately, AI is a powerful assistant, but it's humans who must lead the charge. Scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs, policymakers, and everyday citizens all have a role to play. AI can help us understand the problem, develop solutions, and act faster, but it can't replace the political will or collective action we need to truly change course. So, can AI help us solve climate change? Absolutely, but only if we use it wisely, ethically, and inclusively. The future of our planet depends not just on smarter technology, but on smarter choices. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, consider sharing it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want more content about how tech is shaping our world, hit that like button and subscribe. The climate challenge is daunting, but together, with the right tools and the right mindset, we can face it.
If you're a YouTuber or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this video is going to help you a lot. AI tools are changing the game for content creators. They help automate our daily tasks, save a lot of time, and make our work way more efficient. Whether it's editing, scripting, or even creating videos from scratch, AI is making it easier than ever. Today, I want to share with you an incredible AI tool called Pixverse. It's one of the most exciting tools out there right now, and it lets you create amazing AI-generated videos with just a few clicks. So what is Pixverse exactly? Pixverse is an AI video generation platform. You can turn text prompts or images into short cinematic clips using their powerful AI models. What's really cool is that you don't need any editing experience. Just provide a prompt or an image, and boom, it creates a video for you. Let me break it down a bit more. You can either start with a template, or you can give it 2 images, and Pixverse will generate a smooth transition between them. So, let's say you have a before and after image. You can use this to make a dynamic transformation video. You can also upload just 1 image, add a description of what you want to happen in the scene, and Pixverse will animate that image into a short video. It's really elegant and works surprisingly well. Now let's actually try it out together. First, let's head over to Google Images and search for something interesting, maybe a landscape or a person. I'll download one of the images. Now let's go to pixverse.ai, upload that image, and type in a short prompt describing what we want to see happen in the video. For example, something like a futuristic city slowly forming in the background or sunset light reflecting off the ocean. After uploading, you'll see options to adjust a few key settings. You can tweak the aspect ratio, set the duration of the video, choose the resolution, even up to 1080p, and decide how dramatic you want the animation to be. Once we hit generate, the AI gets to work. It might take a couple of minutes depending on the complexity, but once it's done, you'll have a fully rendered video that you can download and use right away in your YouTube project. It's seriously that simple. Now, a quick note about the free version. It's great for testing things out, but it is a bit limited. You'll only get a few generation credits, and the resolution might be capped. If you like what you see and want access to higher quality output or more frequent use, you might want to consider upgrading to the premium version. Honestly, for creators who use a lot of visuals or storytelling, it's worth it. So yeah, if you're looking for an easy way to add AI-generated visuals to your content, or if you just want to experiment with cinematic video creation, Pixverse is definitely something you should check out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to share it or leave a comment with what kind of videos you're planning to create using Pixverse. Before we finish, let me give you a bonus AI tool that can take your video editing to the next level. It's an AI-powered video editing platform called Runway ML. Runway ML is a really impressive tool that's designed to help creators like us generate and edit videos quickly and creatively using artificial intelligence. It's used by a huge community of content creators, and for good reason. It saves a ton of time and unlocks editing features that used to require complex software or experience. One of the standout features is its Gen 4 model, which allows you to keep characters and visuals consistent across multiple scenes. That's a game changer if you're creating a story or want to make your video feel smooth and professional from start to finish. You also get access to creative tools like the motion brush, which lets you add motion to specific areas of your video. Just paint the part you want to move, and the AI does the rest. There's also camera motion, where you can control how the camera moves through a scene, adding cinematic vibes without touching a real camera. Runway ML also offers text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities. You simply describe what you want or provide an image, and it turns that into a moving, dynamic clip. This is especially handy if you're building visual stories or need unique visuals fast. Another feature I love is video extension. You can take a short video and extend it naturally without awkward cuts or jumpy edits. Plus, you can change aspect ratios easily, which is great when you're posting to different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Overall, Runway ML is powerful, fast, and surprisingly easy to use. It's perfect whether you're editing full YouTube videos or just want to create some awesome social media content with a creative twist. All right, that wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful. We explored some game-changing tools, Pixverse for creating stunning AI videos, and Runway ML for smart creative video editing. These tools can save you time and help you create content that looks amazing even if you're just starting out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.